So today we eventually arrived to make new keys for our new house. I see first time how to make keys and master. Hello!
Hello.
Yeah, doing really fast. Already just 1 minute. Wow. Okay, bye-bye. It's so sunny today and workers already came to our house for the renovation. Now I'm painting the walls. It's finished here. Already, you see? It's good. And now it's almost finished. The kitchen part. Now it looks like this. You see? Yeah, so here's our butler. He is working. Lapa is going. Following our butler. It's a great weather, and you can see very strong sunshine. Someone is coming. Oh, it's our new roommate. So as you saw in the previous days, we renovated a house in Bali, and now we have new roommates who are coming to live in our house, and I'm really happy, and I have to care about everything. So good after a good and long work. And now what I have to do is to create a Telegram bot for my fashion coaching, fashion courses that I already have, and I hope it will really help to activate the whole process. So now I will make a scenario for my Telegram bot. So today I wanna find something to listen while I'm working. So I found a podcast. It's called Shine Radio in Naver Audio.
예약을 취소를 했었어요.
So something like that will play while I'm working on computer. So I'm creating it in RTC Draft 2. It's very popular for game scenario. I called my project Age Domination Audio. Now opening it. And as you see, there are lots of scenarios that I wrote for different requests and actions, and what I have to do now is to finish these 2 final rows to launch it. Actually, now it's probably a historical moment. I'm creating a chatbot for Telegram that will introduce all my courses, all my fashion marathons that I'm selling to my clients, to my students. Wow, what are you doing? What is this?
So 1 moment. Let's go there. Let's go to the table.
Okay.
So today we have a Chinese day. They gave us a postcard
Wow.
with wishing booming business and good health. Wish you happy every day. So it's so nice that they think about that.
So we got a parcel from China, from the factory, right? Which makes noodles.
Yeah, ramen. And so they have different packages and different type of noodles. Right?
Okay.
So we'll produce it under our own brand.
It's like a samples. We just need to try and choose which kind of noodles we like, and we will modify, control the quality, check it carefully.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. They even send us a snack meal. I don't know, just a ramen, snack ramen is the name. And there is a Japanese one. So yeah, we should try everything and decide which one we want to create and which tastes. Are you happy? Look.
Okay, very quality packaging. Even this holder, very good, nice.
Wow, black noodles.
Yeah, nice noodles. And they have egg, I
Wow.
think. Yeah, it's like this one, very quality. Very good quality. Even the fork is very quality.
Okay. So what is this? You are opening every noodle, right?
Yeah, we're checking out what do they have more. So maybe different tastes. Packages are fine. I really like the packaging. We have good options.
Okay, Dennis, tell me why you decided to make a brand, noodles brand, and sell it to Russia.
Because there are huge market now for noodles, I think as well, and we can develop our own brand and sell it. So we made the cappuccino under our own brand because we have good distribution channel and can sell it well. And now with coffee we'll have also noodles. So it will be lunch for everybody. So people can sip some coffee, drink some coffee, and also they will have noodles. I think we'll produce some good products.
Some all like instant but good, high quality.
Yeah. The only thing you need is some boiled water, and that's all you need to not to be hungry. Golden cup. I think it also looks like golden cup.
And you know, like here is like noodles for another brand, but we want to upgrade, so it will be much better and more delicious. Okay. How's the taste?
I haven't tasted yet.
It's like very Chinese taste, right? Like they send us samples, but for like Chinese, all Chinese products.
But we didn't add too many spices in it, so.
It's like mukbang today. I'm not really shooting myself because I'm a little bit tired and like I'm working. So I will shoot you more. So how's that? How's the quality?
I think noodles are good, really. But we need to work on spices, so we need to figure that out. What can we add to make it more interesting?
And you see, that's ideal time when you know Chinese. You understand what is that? Like it's mala, new roll. And I can understand. And like 加水, it's like I have to add 500 grams of water. Because you look at this and you have no idea what is like 500 grams, for example, right? Yeah, so that's the same taste like Jin Ramyeon and Shin Ramyeon. And now it's almost 12. Oh, it's night. I'm tired, but I'm happy because I'm doing this. And the only thing I ask myself is why only just now I decided to do this. Okay, so today was a good day and thank you for supporting me. See you next day. I don't know what will happen next day. So bye bye. Keep in touch.